Welcome to our guide to the PMS system, which will help you manage reservations, guests, and daily operations of your lodging facility. Whether you run a hotel, apartments, guest house, or another type of lodging facility, our application will make your work easier and save you time. In today's video, I will show you how to easily use the system's key features to optimize the management of your property. We will go through the booking calendar, integrations, statistics, invoicing, and other useful tools. We are currently in the main view of the application, which is the booking calendar. Here, we can easily and clearly manage all the reservations for our facility. Now let's take a closer look at the calendar itself. It is divided into 3 different views that assist in reservation management: calendar of all rooms, monthly calendar for a selected room, and yearly calendar. The calendar displays all reservations, both those synchronized with OTA and those added manually. Besides viewing all reservations, the main view of the application also offers several additional features that make managing the facility easier. Here we can search for reservations. Just enter the guest's first name, last name, reservation number, or any other details to quickly find specific reservations. We can filter displayed rooms, and we can narrow the calendar view to selected rooms or apartments. Next feature is search for available date. This feature allows you to instantly check which rooms are available in a specific time frame. A new reservation can be added in 2 ways. The first method is the Add button, which allows you to add reservation, group reservation, lock, or a new room. This option allows for quickly adding another room to the system without leaving the calendar view. Second method is quick reservation adding. Just click directly on the grids corresponding to the selected calendar dates to immediately start the reservation process. After selecting the date, a booking form opens, divided into 4 tabs. Reservation. Here we specify basic information such as stay dates, number of guests, and chosen room. Client. In this section, we fill in the details of the person making the reservation. Third tab is Details. Additional options such as check-in, source of reservation, additional information. The last tab is Finances, payment summary, ability to add a deposit, and additional services. For user convenience, there's the option to change how the form is displayed. Instead of being divided into 4 tabs, you can set a unified view that combines all sections into a single list. Moreover, the reservation form can be customized to the specific needs of the facility. For example, your property does not offer meals. You can hide meal-related fields to simplify the booking process and leave only the necessary information. It's also worth mentioning that once you go into the room details, you have the option not only to edit its parameters, like the number of beds or available amenities, but also to indicate its status for the cleaning staff. It's a handy feature that allows for efficient room status management and keeps the staff informed about which rooms are ready for guests and which still need cleaning. Now let's move on to the Dashboard tab, which provides quick access to key information about the property. After selecting a date, we can check arrivals and departures, who is in the property, a week overview, room occupancy. Additionally, there's a cleaning tab in this section where we can check current cleaning statuses of rooms and change them. Now we move to the Reservation List, where we have a full overview of all reservations. With the options available, we can filter, edit, and delete them, allowing for easy management of current bookings and updating them when necessary. The next tab is History, which shows the full history of changes in the system. All actions performed in the system are saved, and changes can be easily tracked by individual employees, allowing for better control and verification of actions in the system. Now we move on to the Management section, specifically to the Rooms tab, where we can add new rooms, change room statuses, and set display order. Another important section is Employees, where we can create accounts for employees and give them access only to selected system features. This gives us full control over permissions. Next, we move on to the Customer Database tab, where full information about lodging guests is available. Here we can quickly search for customer data and check their stay history. Now we move to the Communication tab, which allows you to integrate your email account. This enables to send messages to guests directly from the PMS system. Messages to guests can be sent in 2 ways. We can use ready-made message templates and edit them as needed. We can also create our own personalized templates tailored to our facility. Each message can be sent directly from the guest's reservation, provided their email address is filled in their data. Additionally, in the Messages tab, we have a full history of sent messages. Now we move on to the Price List tab and the Set Prices section, where we can define prices for individual rooms and dates. If our property is connected with Booking.com, you should select the appropriate pricing plan: internal pricing or Booking.com pricing. We can fill in prices in several ways. Direct entry, which means editing individual cells in the price list, selecting multiple cells at once. Bulk change, which is the most convenient option, allowing for simultaneous pricing and restriction settings for many rooms in one step. Now, we move to the Additional Services tab, where we can define extra services available at the facility, such as parking, bicycles, or other options that might be offered to guests. If our facility offers meals, in the Meals tab, we can fill in the meal service hours, which allows generating a report of the number of meals, set meal prices to automatically fill in when adding reservations. We proceed to Statistics. In this section, we can analyze the revenue of the accommodation facility, track increases and decreases, and compare different periods, which enables better optimization of price management and availability. The next tab is for arrivals and departures, generating guest check-in and check-out reports at the facility. Now let's move to the Meals tab. With this tab, we have full overview of the number of meals served in a selected period. The next tab is Invoices. In this tab, we can generate different types of invoices ranging from advance invoices to VAT invoices and corrective invoices. There are two ways to issue invoices: directly from the Invoices tab, allowing document entry independently from reservations, and from the Reservations tab, ensuring a direct link between reservations and invoices. We can also send an invoice to the client directly from the system, eliminating the need to download and manually send files. Additionally, there is an option to customize invoices, which allows for the choice of numbering type and numbering format, and setting a default tax rate. Now, we move to the Online Reservation System tab, which enables receiving reservations directly through the accommodation facility's website. This allows clients to book their stay without the need for telephone contact or using external booking platforms. To configure the online reservation system, you must enter the Configuration tab and adjust its elements step by step. The first step is adding descriptions and photos to the rooms, which allows for an attractive presentation of the offer. If the facility offers meals or additional services, these can also be included in the offer. The next stage is customizing the appearance of the reservation system, including its colors and style, to match the website of the facility. Next, we proceed to fill in the subsequent configuration steps, which include settings regarding reservations, availability, and payment methods. Finalizing the configuration of the reservation system includes accepting the terms and conditions and its activation, after which the system becomes ready for handling online reservations. At the end, a special code is generated which must be placed on the facility's website. Now we move to the Integrations tab, where we can connect with external OTA systems such as Booking.com, allowing automatic transfer of reservations directly to the application. This feature allows to synchronize all reservations into the system, eliminating the need for manual data entry and minimizing the risk of overbooking. The configuration wizard guides the user step by step through the synchronization process, making it easier to correctly connect the PMS system with the chosen reservation platform. Instructional materials are also available in our documentation. On our YouTube channel, there is also a video showing the entire synchronization process with Booking.com. It's also worth mentioning that the system generates real-time notifications about new bookings, status changes, or other significant events. The system is designed to allow customization of selected application elements to tailor it to the user's individual needs. To change settings, go to the Settings tab and modify the parameters. Available settings include theme selection, default tab after logging in, date and time formats, measurement system, setting the default calendar date, reservation display format, the display of reservation sources and check-in statuses, custom reservation colors, and reservation labels. Additionally, settings include numerous options related to configuring the booking form, billing price list, channel manager, notifications, and backups. This allows the system to be fully adapted to the specific nature of your accommodation facility, ensuring maximum convenience in managing reservations. Another point worth mentioning is the real-time synchronization between the mobile app available in Google Play and App Store and the computer system. This enables users to manage bookings, monitor room availability, and receive notifications, regardless of whether they are using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. We encourage you to check out other videos on our channel where you will find detailed instructions on individual modules and functions. Additionally, our documentation provides detailed descriptions of all settings and configurations, which can help further tailor the system to your needs. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to contact our support team directly. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you successful reservation management with Mobile Calendar PMS system.